Hello, my beautiful people, YouTube. How the hell are you? Little bit different for you today. As I'm watching, I I tend to watch Judge Flesh's court more often than not. After the fact. Uh, at the time of recording, this was streamed 9 hours ago. But anyhow, pardon me. Um, we've got this. It doesn't say much. It doesn't have to say much because it is a arraignment or yeah, it's an arraignment probable cause finding exercise. Um, but it becomes very clear with what the prosecutor says very quickly that this is an idiot. Good to do, people. Okay, let's hit play and get it going. It's not long.
Thank you. You should have seen the one I was really going to wear. It's too outlandish. Maybe later. What page you say? Okay, Mr.
Okay, his name's Daly, but AL Bay for the one.
Daly, you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You
Bumblebee is in court.
have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Officers initiated a traffic stop in Harris County, Texas for a vehicle having a fictitious plate bearing the word traveler on it. During the stop, the defendant refused to provide identification.
There it is. Have you missed it? If you missed it, I'll go back just a few seconds. You can catch it again.
Someone else. Who's responsible? Right.
Oh,
What page you say?
here we go. From the start.
Okay, Mr. Daly, you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Officers initiated a traffic stop in Harris County, Texas for a vehicle having a fictitious plate bearing the word traveler on it. During the stop, the defendant refused to.
There you go. There's our keyword. Traveller. If that's not solve citizen, I don't know what is. Or solve citizen.
Provide identification or insurance information, stating, "I do not consent to any of this." Officers attempted to
Well,
remove the
that's
defendant
even
from the
more.
vehicle, and the defendant actively resisted until he was detained.
That's very conclusory. Actively, what did you say?
Actively resisted.
Okay, I need more than that. Give me more, Alice.
So I reviewed the body cam this morning from the officer who initiated the traffic stop. The defendant.
No. You can't do that. No. It has to be in the report. In the DIMS, he has to say more than just a conclusory statement about what happened.
In the DIMS, it states that the officer attempted to pull the defendant out of the vehicle with him actively resisting and pulling away from the officer and other deputies. And the defendant continued by turtling his arms as they got him to the ground.
All right. Better. But you telling me that he actively, it's a conclusory statement and we need more, right? It's like saying, okay, he was speeding. Really? How fast?
Yes, Judge.
So that's why conclusory statements don't fly, but that's enough. Okay, Mr. Daly.
Sir.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have a Texas driver license? Can you run his license, please, guys?
Surprising. Because I've already seen this, I know what happens. He's got a valid driver's license.
He's eligible to drive.
Okay. Do you have liability insurance in your name? And you can't drive. Once you get insurance, I will happily allow you to drive. It's all I'm doing is trying to protect the public and trying to protect.
But Judge, you want me to contract with you? You want me to contract with you and via you, the state? I don't contract.
Protect you in the event that you get into an accident. They don't care whether you're traveling, whether you're whatever, however you want to term it. If you get into an accident and you do some catastrophic damage, they're going to come after you. They're going to sue you, try to take you for everything you got. And that's why for $50 a month, you pay for someone to represent you in the event that you do get an accident. And depending on how much you pay, you're covered
Pardon me.
$50,000, $150,000. So all I'm asking you to do is follow the law. I'm not going to put any other conditions on you. No drugs, no alcohol. I don't know. All I want you to do is get insurance.
Damn it, Judge. Get insurance, follow the fucking law. You've made it damn easy for him to follow this. Although, I have a funny feeling he's not going to, and this isn't the last we've seen of Bumble BL Bay.
If you can do that, I'll allow you to drive. So the only condition now is just don't drive until you get insurance. Once you get insurance, show it to me. I'll take your no driving restriction off and then do whatever you want.
I can guarantee you, 30 seconds after he gets out of the court, he's not jumping in a bus. He's not calling an Uber, taxi. Hell no. He drove his truck there. He's gonna drive his truck home. And all my viewers in New Zealand will go, you don't really need insurance to be on the roads. Have you ever been in an accident where you've had more than $1,000 worth of damage done to your vehicle, and the person who's propagated the accident, whether rear-ending or whacking you in the side or whatever it is, or whether you've run into a tree yourself and you haven't had insurance? That becomes bloody expensive. Really fast, and yeah.
You need a lawyer to represent you there. So what are you doing these days?
Right now,
Do you work? No? Okay, why not? What were you doing?
truck driver.
That's a great job. Don't you make a ton of money truck driving?
Oh, Judge, of course he don't work. He's a sovereign freaking citizen. They never work. They penny pinch off the fucking taxpayers for a living. And spew their absolute nonsense online. Not to mention make a pain of themselves in the court system.
Why would you quit? You make it.
Making money from my check.
Oh, I see. Child support?
No,
What?
they said they overpaid me, and they never.
What's to say? This is all part of fraud.
You know, they was taking $170 out of my check for no reason. They never gave me anything to sign.
Isn't there a place that you can go to dispute that?
I have no clue. You tell me.
If it came under the payee taxes, PAYE taxes, bro, that's legit. They've got to take that money. I can get an order of $1,000 a week. I'm not getting any more than about $800 or $900 because the tax man's got to have his share.
Tell me.
HR. You know, go to HR. Go, hey man, this is why my check should be what it is. You think you know, if they rightfully underpaid you, then they should. give you what you rightfully are owed. If they did overpay you, that's like equally not fair though, right? So what's good for the goose, good for the gander, so if you quit just in spite,
I was really I had 2 weeks notice in. I was gonna quit before
okay,
because I
well,
was going to another
so
job.
you need someone to represent you, right? We'll give you time for you to get a
No, he doesn't need someone to represent him. He can represent himself. So he can present himself again. End of story, Judge.
lawyer. We'll give you a month, but when you come back, you need a lawyer to represent you, okay? So, Mr. Daly, now I'm gonna have you just sign this promise to us that you're not gonna drive until you get liability insurance.
Oh my word. Okay. Me and my lovely partner Evie recently got 2 cars. She won a bit of money on a promotional draw from the lottery commission, so thank you, Lotto. I feel like we need to put sponsored by Lotto or something on the cars because of it. But anyhow, within the first week of owning them, we had them registered in our separate names, and we had in full insurance cover. Glass, I think paint is in there, panel, mechanical, electric. Yeah. And if something goes wrong and we can't drive the car home from wherever we are, they will give us a tow. Well, another insurance company who does our driver's insurance will give us a tow. Because driver's insurance is not the same as vehicle insurance. Driver's insurance means if I need help on the road, even if I'm a passenger in another car, I can call that company, the Automobile Association or AA, and they'll come out and they'll help get the car back on the road. Or if they can't, we can arrange for a tow. And I've got quite a few tows up my sleeve to use throughout the year if I have to. God forbid I have to, but yeah. And then my vehicle insurance company picks up for your glass, your panel damage, your break-ins, your mechanical work, your electrics, all that stuff. If it's a result of an accident or result of a attempted joyride, let's say. So yes, insurance is needed, people. I'm paying an order of about $60 or $70 a month for mine, and without that, I'd be paying a fuck ton, an absolute metric fuck ton, if I needed to do work on my car.
So get it, bring it back to me, show me that you have insurance with your name on it, and then I'll take this off.
I get it today.
You come back to me today. If you to get it within the next hour and a half, show it to me, I'll take it off now. We get plenty of people that I put this restriction off, and then within the next hour and a half, they call some insurance company, they're able to get the policy, we are able to verify it, and then I take the restriction off. I'm just asking you to follow the law, that's it. Not anything crazy.
Oh, Judge, I'm gonna keep a lookout and ask my other court watcher friends to keep a lookout. Bumblebee Al Bay here. Yeah, if he pops up somewhere else with other charges, let me know about it. Because far out. This guy's, let's just say, this isn't the first time nor the last time he's been in front of a judge. Probably his first time against Judge Fletcher. And
No, I'm just gonna have him sign this affidavit here. That's it.
I feel like Judge Fletcher's gone a little bit easy on him. But then again, they are not very smart people.
I will have you sign this, promised us. We'll have you sign a reset with Victoria, and then we'll let you out, and then you're good to go. Just whenever you're ready to come back, come back. All right, good luck, Mr. Daly.
And that's it. Doesn't get the follow your ass out of here treatment or anything like that. Honestly, I was just checking that I wasn't frozen. Honestly, Judge Fletcher could have come down a lot harder on him than he did. Whether he would have understood everything is another thing. His next filing is a Perisidious and a Progiona. I know I mucked it up. I know what it is. It's a Perisidious and a pro persona. Yeah. That's his next filing. Let's just put it nice. As soon as I heard the word traveller for the number plate, I went, right, here we go. Here we go. I've got to make a video on this one. And this is coming out as soon as it's made. Because Al Bay Bumblebee. Oh my god. Jeepers. Alright. I'll catch you on the next one, people. Thanks for stopping by.